Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to configure your battery percentage location. So basically, if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically where your percentage of battery is. As you guys can see right now, it's like outside the battery icon with the percentage on it. So there's a few ways you can actually configure this. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's actually pretty easy to do. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then from here you guys are going to want to scroll down until you guys find battery. Alternatively, you can just search battery in the search bar. So once you guys are here, you guys can see the first three options are what your battery mode is in, and below that, if you guys can see, you should be able to see battery percentage. So what you guys want to do on this is click this, and as you guys can see, there are three options. So first one is do not show, and keep in mind, while I'm going to be trying these options, you guys are going to want to look at the top right hand corner at where the battery is located. So just say I put do not show, it does not show the percentage, it only shows the amount of battery with it. So just say I want it to be inside the icon, it's going to be like that. As you guys can see, the 18 is inside the battery icon, and if it's what it was just now, it's going to be like that. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something, and if you guys want me to do any other tutorials, do let me know in the comments down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.